What's up, YouTube? Just got off work and I'm on the back side of a creek that feeds into the lake up here, and I've seen some pretty good little panfish swimming around, so I've just got the little ultralight with me, a couple of small plastics and a couple little small crawl type baits, stuff like that. And we're gonna get down here and see if we can catch a couple, and if not, move on to another spot that I've got in mind. All right, when I was coming down the bank, there was a pretty good sized little bass right over here. And there's a few little panfish right here with me. Got it. Watch that one just shoot out of nowhere for it. Woo! Really pretty red breast. What I do with my phone. Ow, a little fart stabbed me in the finger. That hurt. Got it. Another little red. Well, that one counts since we got a little bit of a touch. Got it. Another little red. I think these smaller ones are a little bit prettier. They got just, well, that one got away. Me yapping and showing it off and all that jazz. Hey, that's a little bit nicer. Not by a lot, but it counts. It's a little bluegill. Let's try to get a picture of this one before it gets off. Oh, there's a really good size, probably 3 or 4 pound bass right there. Got it. Another little red that got off. That one don't count. Got one, whatever it is. Feels pretty good. It's a little bass fish. Little spotted bass. Pretty little fish. These things they're crappie. Something done messed up your lip. Something done did a Fred Sanford on you and give you 5 across your lip. Alright, last spot of the day. We're downstream from where I got onto some really big red breast on beds several videos ago, and we're going to drop down below the dam here and see what we can find, because there's a pocket down here at the end of this loading ramp for the rafters and stuff like that that usually holds quite a few fish: trout, smallmouth, spotted bass, pretty good sized panfish. And we're going to harass it for a few minutes, and well, for about an hour, and then call it quits. Alright, I know bear doesn't to do this, and I see a couple of fish right here below the dam. Oh shoot, there's like 4 of them went for it. I don't know if they're spots or panfish or what. Ah, dang it, they're spots. I'm gonna have to tighten my drag a little bit, because I'm gonna have to drag them up this mess. Jeez. Got it. Oh, I didn't mean to bang you on the rock there, Mr. Fish. There's like 5 or 6 of them down there about this size, or just a hair bigger. Alright. Oh, that was a terrible belly flop, I'm sorry. Oh, okay. I've got a decent sized trout on, and it's yeah, this one's definitely going to piss off the trout people, because I'm not going to be releasing this one very gently. I'll try to, but there's no promises. Pretty rainbow. I honestly thought it was a good size spot. Well, he ain't floating. Anyway, let's stop harassing that and go right up now. Alright, let's see how many times we can snag, and hopefully the audio is halfway decent. I've already got fish on, didn't even know it. Feels pretty good. Now for this little ultralight. Not bad, not bad. Very chunky little spot. Alright, let's get you back. Oh, heck, I was snagged on a rock over there, and I was trying to break it loose, or pop it loose, and as soon as it did, this joker come up and got it. Another little dinky spot. We shall take it, because we ain't that picky. But yeah, I could see my jig head on the rock over there, and so I was trying to pop it loose, and as soon as it did, bam. Teeny tiny little smallie. Ain't him cute? Boom, another one. Chill, 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 chill. Another little smallie. Whew, almost dropified you. This is just dumb. Spot. And another one. Feels pretty good. Something's took some bites out of you there, or you just banged around on these rocks. That one's nicer. Alright, y'all, you know what? I'm going to call it quits while I'm ahead. It's always that case. When you're winning, go ahead, call it quits when you're fishing. Anyway, hope y'all really liked this video, because that was fun as heck catching those little smallmouths and spots and stuff. Definitely going to be back up here again. Hopefully when it's a little bit cooler, because it's like 85-something degrees a day and humid because we've got storms coming. Anyway, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.